scared.
All right, we're pulling in.
Oh, hell no.
All right, guys. So this is the driveway that we had to come up to get to the house. And like I said, it's like a little steep little hill, but we passed it and everything on the way here. So we come down the driveway and then boom. So we made it to the Airbnb, Pigeon Forward, Gatlinburg, whatever one it is. So this is a nice little spot. If you notice, it's only like a 1, maybe 2 car parking spot type. So, and then everything is like dropped off. And ain't no like you can walk up under. You got the air conditioning unit and stuff like that. But you know, 2-story, got a loft, everything else in it. So let's walk into the Airbnb for the weekend. And it has a keypad, so you know, it's free to get in. And then boom, everything opens up. Nice pool table. Ain't break shit. Nice little living room. Like I said, this place is pretty big. It's real nice. Then you got your closet right here. You know, just the ironing board, irons, somebody leftover hat, stuff like that. Then you go in here. Nice little half bath. Sure, yeah, that's what I like. But it comes with a fan also, so. But nice big little mirror, you know, nice sink, everything up to date. That's something that I like. Hey, you got your top washing and your dryer. Nice, nice, nice. Got another light over here. It's very well lit in here. That's something that I do like in houses. Very lit. No dull spot. Okay, then you got another cabinet. A little iron, blanket. Like I said, this pool table is definitely something real nice. I wanted this when we was looking for this apartment, Airbnb. And this is the kitchen and the dining room. Kitchen, dining room together, since you know, took the pool table, can't have both. So, pool table and that. Hey, kitchen, nice little kitchen. Nice up-to-date refrigerator. Y'all know what the freezer look like. Ain't nothing too much special in there. Microwave, got your oven. Nice countertops. Got your cabinets. I don't know if it got, oh shoot, it got all your plates and everything in there. So you're coming very well prepared. Let me light it up for you. I ain't even, oh yeah. See the lights? Yeah, real nice. So it come with all your appliances. It's come with everything. Let's see what else they got. Some more cups and plates. Pots and pans. So, come with a full kitchen. Got your forks, spoons, but we won't be using those. And let's go to the living room. Also comes with a fireplace. We ain't cut the fireplace on because it's also about 90 degrees outside, so ain't no point of cutting that on. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it. As you can see, you got the stairs. I'll be showing that in a minute. I'm gonna just give you another pan around of the living room, downstairs. And this look like a new Airbnb cabin style. I like it. You know, you got the ceiling fan. Everything is nice. TV set up over the fireplace. Got your recliners. So let's go outside. They got a balcony. Look at that view. Look at the view. You know? And as we pan around, as you can see the grill, then it got your old-fashioned chairs, you know what I'm saying? The ones that you sit at your grandma in them house and chill all day. You know, then you got your little high top table and stuff like that. It's real nice. You know, then you got your little candle out here you can burn, get the insects and stuff away. Then you got a full jacuzzi. You got a full jacuzzi. And it's already ready. You know what I'm saying? Boom. All you gotta do is flip it back and get active. You feel me? So turn the temperature up, as you can see, 93 degrees. I'll probably be in there tonight, but I don't know if y'all can hear that thunderstorm and stuff right now. Oh shit, it's raining. So right now it's raining. We was finna go to the outlet, but as you can see, ain't nobody behind us. So nice wooded area. All right, let me take y'all back in. Show y'all we got a nice loft area. So that's real dope. I'll take y'all up there in a few. Just pan back around in this living room. Like I said, I really like this 1-bedroom loft. King size bed, nice kitchen, nice countertops, nice TV, fireplace, Wi-Fi, everything. So let me show y'all upstairs. All right, so now we back. Let's go ahead and go up these stairs and let's show y'all what we got up here. So boom, nice king size bed. Like I said, it's a loft area. As you can see, still can see the kitchen and everything. Nice bed, ceiling fan, nice view looking out in the front. As you can see, you got your TV, you got your fireplace, same as downstairs. Look real nice up here. You got your nice big dresser. I ain't open none of these drawers now, I don't need nothing to jump out on me. You got your lamps. Real nice, real nice. Got your little flowers, little decoration, you know. Got your little cable box, you know what I'm saying? Probably got a little Netflix on here. Boom. I go ahead and cut that thing on. You know what I'm saying? YouTube. Y'all go ahead and like and subscribe. And then you can be watching me do what I do. I don't know, TV ain't working right now. So probably is just take a minute just like the one downstairs. So we walking into the bathroom upstairs, master bathroom. And as y'all can see, this is a nice, clean bathroom. You know, you got your little thing, make sure ain't nobody boo-boo. And you got your linen, got your closet, you know what I'm saying? Brought our own, but we appreciate it, you know. Got your angel saw. Then you turn around, you got your boy, you got the big hot jacuzzi. You know what I'm saying? A lot of bubble. You got your shower head, you know? Then you also got your cabinet. Little linen cabinet in here, you know, put your little stuff in. Really ain't got too much where to put your clothes and stuff at, but, you know, throw a little bag or two in there. But other than that, that's pretty much it right now for this video. It's raining outside. We was gonna go to the outlet, so if we go to the outlet or anything, I'll pick y'all back up once we get there. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all let me know how this Airbnb look. This, like I said, our second time probably been down this way, but we really like this Airbnb, so y'all just stay tuned. Show y'all a little bit more later on, so we're gonna tap back in a minute. All right, yeah.